A message can zoom under the ocean through giant cables as thick as a garden hose. These cables stretch for thousands of miles, way longer than a trip, across the whole United States. They rest on the ocean floor, where it is darker than midnight. But how does your message know where to go in this invisible maze? That, where the real adventure begins. There is a hidden world wrapped all around us, but you cannot see it, even if you try. It is everywhere, in your house, your school, even under the streets. It is not made of string or ropes, yet it can reach almost anywhere on Earth. Here is the secret. Every time you send a message online, you are using a giant invisible web that links computers and tablets across the whole planet. Your device is part of this amazing web, busy sending and catching messages with others far away. When you send a picture to your cousin in another state, your tablet gets to work right away. It chops the photo into tiny pieces called data packets. These bits are so small, they look like a puzzle your device will later put back together. The packets rush out of your tablet and zip through wires inside your house. They do not stop there. They head into thicker cables that run under streets and sidewalks in your neighborhood. Some of these cables travel underground for miles, while others stretch even farther. Imagine a cable longer than 1,000 football fields laid end to end. Here is the wild part. Those packets can cross whole cities, leap over rivers, and even travel under the ocean. They race along these hidden paths until they reach your cousin's house, no matter how far away that is. All this happens so fast, your cousin gets the picture before you can even blink. But how does your device send and catch all these messages without using any wires at all? That's where Wi-Fi comes in. Wi-Fi acts like an invisible, right in your house. Your tablet or computer sends tiny signals through the air, almost like super-fast walkie-talkies. You cannot see or touch these signals, but they work hard every second you use the internet. These invisible waves carry your data packets straight to a special box called a router. The router sits somewhere in your home and sends the packets out to the big world web. That is why you do not need to plug in a bunch of long, messy wires just to watch a funny video or play a game. Here is something cool. As long as you stay close to your Wi-Fi, you can use the internet almost anywhere in your house. Some people even get a signal in their backyard. So, what happens to those little data packets once they reach their destination? Let's see how everything comes together. When your cousin's tablet gets those data packets, it is like opening a box of puzzle pieces. Each piece holds a part of your photo, game, or message. The tablet lines up every piece in the right order, so your cousin sees the whole picture just as you sent it. Even if the pieces arrive out of order, the tablet is smart enough to fix them. That is how you can play games, watch videos, or send a silly face, even if you live thousands of miles away. The internet always makes sure the message gets put together, no matter how many twists and turns it takes. Let's think about everything this amazing web helps us do every day. The internet links your room to places all over the world, even through cables deep under the ocean. Every time you send a message or stream a video, your data travels on this wild adventure to reach someone far away. We have explored how the internet brings people together no matter where they live. That is the real behind every click, click, and tap. See you for another adventure.